My next project is take down this remaining section of evergreen hedge. It's too much work pruning it, and really it serves no purpose at this point. The deep shade from the hedge causes moss to grow on the fence boards and for it to be damp there all the time, not to mention that the limbs hang over into the neighbor's yard. I'm going to take it down limb by limb, then cut up the trees with my chainsaw. Tree removal work in progress. It's taken some effort to pull the limbs over the fence without dropping them on the other side. But using a rope and some help with Diane, I have not dropped one. Make room to work here. Otherwise I'm tripping all over these things. Close. All right. There we go. Now I'm ready to cut down the last 4 limbs that go over the fence. You got it. All right, good job. I think maybe I can get it from here. Pull it down. There we go. Uh-oh. A little sooner than I expected. Okay. Whoa. We got it. No one injured. 6 trees, all limbed and ready for the chainsaw. Here we are at Lazy J's, offloading another load of limbs. Been here about 10 times, at least, just for this one project. Now for the last tree. All right, best cut yet. cleared out the dirt around each of the stumps so that I can cut them down at or below grade. Getting a little dull. Oh, loose. Had to tighten the chain up a bit. Tighten it up a little bit more. About right. That chain is dead. So I replaced the bar and chain on this chainsaw already because after cutting down 13 trees, it was getting pretty dull and the bar was getting worn, mostly from cutting the trunks down at the ground level. It should work a lot better now. Lot better. I'm going to try wedging something on this side so it doesn't put as much weight on it when I cut through. Take some weight off the saw. Don't want to use metal. That could ruin the chain. I decided to put a tarp here so it's easier to move the chips out of the way and to keep the saw out of the dirt. Put the wedge on the other side. Perfect. 4 down, 2 to go. Yep, that will do. Last one. I think we got it now. Yep. All right, we're all done. Yeah. Whew. That was a chore, but it was worth it. Great saw. Did the job. Next I have to clean the moss off the fence. Oh well, never ending.